It's dark, it's gloomy and it's raining here in France, but that will not prevent thousands of film lovers from across the world, around 35,000 to be precise, to come here to the Cannes Film Festival to enjoy films from all around the world. What Wimbledon means to tennis, what Lord's means to cricket, that is what Cannes means to film festival. This is the oldest, this is the biggest film festival in the world, and we are going to bring you all the action that is happening here. Well, yesterday we had the opening ceremony of the festival where all the stars walked down the red carpet, including Meryl Streep, who is going to be honored with the Palme d'Or. Of course, there was Greta Gerwig and the other jury members as well. Greta Gerwig, the director of Barbie, will be chairing the jury, which will give away the Palme d'Or, which will be declared on 25th of May during the closing ceremony. Of course, for the first time in 30 years, there will be an Indian film in the competition. Payal Kapadia's All We Imagine as Light is competing for the Palme d'Or as well.